If you've ever wanted to search hands-free, or you just want a faster way to look things up in Chrome, then this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to enable voice search in Chrome step by step so you can use your microphone to search on Google with just your voice. This is a really useful feature for accessibility, convenience, and saving time when you don't feel like typing everything out. Before we start, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Google Chrome. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three dots menu. This is where Chrome keeps most of its settings. From the menu, click Settings. Once the settings page opens, look at the left-hand menu and click Privacy and Security. Then select Site Settings. This section controls what websites are allowed to access, including things like your camera, location, notifications, and microphone. Now scroll down and click Microphone. Here, you want to make sure the correct microphone is selected. If you have more than one microphone connected, choose the one you actually want to use. Just below that, make sure the option that says Sites can ask to use your microphone is turned on. This is very important because if this setting is off, Google won't be able to ask for permission and voice search won't work properly. Once that setting is enabled, you're ready for the next step. Open a new tab in Chrome and go to google.com. You can either type it into the address bar or just search for Google if it doesn't open automatically. When the Google homepage loads, click inside the search box and look for the microphone icon. It's usually on the right side of the search bar. Click that microphone icon to start voice search. At this point, Chrome may ask for microphone permission. If that happens, click Allow so the browser can listen to your voice when you use search. After permission is granted, you can speak clearly into your microphone and Google will convert your voice into a search query. Try saying something simple first, like a topic you want to look up, and wait for the results to appear. If it doesn't work the first time, double check that your microphone is connected, selected correctly, and not muted. Also make sure your browser is up to date and that Chrome has permission to use the microphone in your system settings as well. And that's it. Voice search in Chrome is now enabled and ready to use. You can search faster, go hands-free, and make browsing much easier with just your voice. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.